Welcome to the Mommy and Tehya show. I will now be showing you something that my mama found.
Tell them what you see.
These are roots of a tree that fell down.
Some sort of pine tree.
It was kind of windy, and it all began to fall.
Here, let's go get the top too.
Okay.
Okay, go around. Let's get all the sides. Watch where the video is. Just keep it on there. Show them how crazy this is.
I showed them this side and the top.
Oh, hi, little pine cone tree. Oh, so soft and beautiful. Hold on. It's like a carpet of pine. Oh.
And you see that little topping there?
Uh-huh. So crazy. Hi, little pine tree.
Right there? That part has no pines at all.
Pines. But look. Oh, you're so beautiful. We're just little baby pine.
Okay, come on. As we were showing you.
Cherry blossoms. Sorry. I'm a cherry blossom tree.
Will you quit it?
Aren't I beautiful?
Yes, you are. But right now you're interrupting our show. Okay.
I'd like to point out that unlike the pine tree, I'm still standing upright. Thank you, cherry blossom tree, but we're talking about the pine tree now. Look, Tehya, there's pine cones.
You're interrupting the show.
Oh, sorry. Look, pine cones.
And as we were saying, the pine
Where's the
tree
video pointing at?
accidentally fell on some of the cherry blossoms. Are you okay, cherry blossom tree?
I think I'm okay. Look how beautiful I
Okay,
am.
you're interrupting.
This is what February in the Pacific Northwest
bye-bye.
looks like.
As you see, no pine needles there. And too much.
Can we show people what this is? This. Oh, I forget the name. Okay, so keep going.
Okay. See this part.
Oh, dog poop.
I will not show them that. I will show them it.
Okay. We're surrounded by dogs. It's like the dog poop place.
And see here, there is no pine needles.
But there's some pine needles right here.
Yeah, I know.
And there's some pine
I
cones.
know already.
Well, this is a laurel hedge.
Okay.
A laurel hedge. Well, oh, and look. Oh, no, that's good. This laurel hedge may have to be sacrificed too. Well, rest in peace, pine tree.
As you see, there is lots and lots of roots.
All right. I think we're going to have to say goodbye.
So much roots.
Goodbye.
Dun, 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 dun.
Hold on, let's get a good shot of you in the pine thing.